Cancer. Hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is a weekly reading from 25th to 31st of May 2020. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for your liking, subscribing, sharing, and thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, abundance, prosperity, happiness, health, wealth, love, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. And yeah, guys, if you're wondering that which deck I'm using, so this is the deck, the Good Tarot deck I'm using right now. Okay, so let's start your reading, Cancer. Let's see what is coming for you for the last week of May 2020. Yeah, okay, let's cut the deck for the Cancerians. Okay, so 8 of Swords. So why are you feeling stuck? Why are you feeling stuck? 9 of Cups, beautiful. King of Wands. Okay, Knight of Cups. So here is your energy. 5 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, beautiful. Patience, wow, which is the Temperance card of the tarot, which is Sagittarius. Knight of Swords, 7 of Wands, 4 of Cups. Okay, so Cancer, I'm feeling that some of you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Sagittarius is very prominent here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Yeah, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio are also here. So yeah, everyone is here. I'm feeling that you are feeling a little bit stuck, but you're not stuck. This is your imposed stuckness. Yeah, self-imposed stuckness. You are feeling stuck, but actually you are not. So I'm feeling if this is not you, this must be your person. You can switch the role. Okay, 9 of Cups, King of Wands, and the Knight of Cups are telling me that definitely that fire sign, that Sagittarius, was your wish fulfillment. You think that you want to offer them your love, your beautiful emotions, your feelings, but then something has happened and you couldn't. Yeah, you did not. 5 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, and the Patience card. So now someone is feeling left out in the cold, and the other person is feeling very confident, very, you can see the opposite energies. One is feeling very sad, one is feeling very happy, one is feeling very alone, like very lower vibration energy, and the other is feeling very confident, very abundant, very prosperous, very independent. Yeah, and here is the universe trying to make the situation happen for both of you. Universe is taking part. They are alchemically making the situation happen for you because they want both of you to be together. Knight of Swords, 7 of Wands, and the 4 of Cups. I'm feeling that you are resisting something. Knight of Swords, this is the conversation that needs to happen. This conversation needs to happen because after this conversation all things will be clear. The clarity will come to you, and you are resisting this conversation or this communication continuously, and you are not paying attention. Yeah, there is an opportunity on your doorway and you are not paying any attention. Yeah, why is the 8 of Swords are here? Six of Swords, 10 of Swords, so many swords, Strength. Okay, so Cancer, I'm feeling that things will be peaceful, things will be healthier when you will end that stuckness. Yeah, you need to end that stuckness. You have to end that stuckness if you want peace in your life. Okay, and then You will be strong. You have to be strong to end this stuckness from yourself. And this is self-imposed stuckness, so just end it and just communicate whatever you want to communicate, and be happy, be stronger. Yeah, be in yourself. Wow, 9 of Pentacles and then the 10 of Pentacles. Beautiful. So yeah, definitely this communication is very important. Why is this King of Wands is here? Why is the King of Wands is here? Wow, 10 of Cups, 9 and 10 of Cups, 9 and 10 of Pentacles. Queen of Wands, beautiful. Queen of Cups, okay. Wow. Okay. So you know what, there is a progression in your reading, like 9 of Cups and the 10 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles and the 10 of Pentacles. So these are very beautiful energies, because these two energies are great, and you are growing, you are ascension, you're making some kind of ascension. Beautiful. Wow, going through an ascension, definitely. Okay, with the King and Queen of Wands, definitely there is so much passion between you and this that person you're dealing with. They have so much love for you, you have so much love for them, and then they also want commitment with you. They also want happy home, happy life with you. But you know what, the communication needs to happen. Communication is the key. Why is this Temperance here? Why is this Temperance here? Yeah. Whoa, you can see the flyers. Wow. Gem in Libra, Major Arcana, and the Moon, Major Arcana. Okay. Ace of Wands, beautiful. Okay, Temperance is happening. Like the balanced situation will be for you and for the person, because both of you are destined to be together. But both of you are afraid of a new beginning. Why is this? Because universe is trying hard to get both of you together. Yeah. And both of you have some kind of fears. Okay, but there is an opportunity knocking at your door. Open the door, Cancer. Open the door. Don't resist it. Don't be fearful. This has to be. This is the destined thing. Knight of Swords. What is this communication about? 6 of Wands. You will be victorious. Don't feel sad. Don't feel stuck. King of Swords. Don't feel that you are fearful. No. 3 of Pentacles. Yeah. I'm feeling that when you will communicate to them and you will initiate that communication, you will be successful, because they are also very logical and you are also very determined, and they will collaborate with you with the 3 of Pentacles energy. So just give it a try. Like, first step is communication, so take that first step. Okay, take that first step. Communicate with them, because they are also want that connection. They also have passion for you. They also want this stable beginning, the stable, beautiful, happy, long-term life with you. So yeah. Wow. Okay, why is this 4 of Cups energy? Why are you resisting so much? Why are you not seeing the opportunity? World card. Okay, King of Pentacles, Page of Cups. I'm feeling that, Cancer, you are thinking like because you think that chapter has ended with this earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus and Virgo, and definitely you want some kind of apology from them. But I'm feeling that that chapter is definitely ended, but you are now on the next level of this connection, like on the marriage. If there is some kind of commitment before, or you are now leveling up this connection. Yeah, leveling up. So definitely there is a new beginning, a chance of new beginning. So you just accept it, and because it's a beautiful things. You are ending a chapter of your life and you are having a beautiful new chapter which will be very stable, very content emotionally. And yeah, love is there, passion is there, everything is there. Wow. So Cancer, this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.